myself Marcus. I am from Chennai and I have completed my Mastercam manual and Mastercam program in Millwright Institute, Chennai. First of all, I have completed my mechanical engineering, but I don't know what is like design or nothing else. And my uncle just informed me, or he recommended me this institution. Just go visit once and you can see what's going on. So me and my father, we just came here and we have just enrolled it, and I started studying like before 2 months, and then I have started my and I have completed my manual program, and then I have started learning the design, basic designs and everything, and now I have completed my program and everything, and now I got an idea that and what is the program, and how now I can write a manual program by my own. So this will be very useful for me and for you guys also. If you are working as an operator in any companies, this will be very useful for you guys, so that you can learn the program and you can develop your skills, which will improve your payment also. It will be very useful for your life, because the future depends on that only. If you are like working as an operator, mean that will not be useful for you. Like if you study this, it like you can in your resume you can add it as I'm an operator as well as a programmer also. So this will be very useful for you guys. So they are also like I have completed my Mastercam, but they are also having some other different programs which will be very useful for you guys. And they are also having 4 branches, so you can visit here once when you are free. This will be very useful for you guys. Thank you.